All right, guys, let's get it going. Guys, we have around 17 minutes till the market is popping and open. Let's get hype. Let's get ready. I'm a little late. My alarm did not go off. Let's go ahead and get, thank you, one congruent viewer so far. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Let's see if we can, tell me where you're from, how much experience you have in trading. We'll make some money today. We go ahead and get my TikTok going. Let's figure this out. We want to get you. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'll keep you right there for now. I don't really care about my 5 minute right now. Excuse me. There we go. Can't see my daily, but it's fine. You don't need to, because you can still see my watch list. So anyways, let's go ahead and figure out where MRIN can go. I mean, it's another stock that's gapping up pretty significantly at the moment. MRIN is gapping up 83% on the day. Now let's figure out where it could potentially go here. It's chilling at $10.42 right now. That means it broke above a bunch of different support or resistance levels, which is what we want to see. We want to see it hold $10. If we can hold $10, we have a gap to fill back up at 13.67, and that's what I would really want to see MRIN today. If we break over 13.67, guys, we really don't have room until 18 bucks. Last time this gaps up, okay, we gap up significantly, we rip to the upside. Let's go ahead and do another one. We gap up significantly, rip. Gap up significantly, rip. Gap up significantly, give, rip, and then give everything back. Same thing, rip, give everything back. So you got to be very careful with these kind of stocks about where, you know, could rip, could give everything back. So you got to be careful. Last time rips gives everything back, but I think MRIN has more potential for the holders' profits. Announces new revenue share agreement with Google. Okay, higher company announced agreement with Google. That's pretty good news. I think we could see a nice move from MRIN. I do ultimately like that. Now let's go ahead and figure out where AEMD is moving. Gap up significantly. Rand gave a lot back. I don't see a lot of news. I'm moving that to the bottom of my watch list just because I like trading stocks with news that have good. Oh, here we go. I'm jumped up. We have ONTX therapeutic shares jump after lung cancer trial. This is where we want to actually keep a watch on this, because last time this gaps up significantly, it seemed to ran. Boom, run, boom, run, boom, run. So this has the potential to rip to the upside, ONTX. We could look for a washout long for the potential for it to rip to the upside. Let's see where we're going. We're chilling at around 567 at the moment. So if we can break that level, we really don't have much resistance until 675, and if we break 675, we're not going to have much resistance till 8, and that's what we want to see. Hey guys, if you guys could tap the screen, give me likes. We're on the road to 500 likes this live, and if you guys want to see my screen, come to the YouTube. Really, I mean, there's not much resistance until 8 once if we break over 675, so there's a good potential there. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. And again, we gap up, run, gap up, run, gap up, run, gap up, run. So I see more gap up, give a lot back. Gap up, hold its profits. Gap up, give a lot back. Gap up, give a lot back. So I see ONTX running today, and I'm not too much of a fan of POAI just because of how, wow, that is ugly. I do not like that drawing set. Okay, let's go ahead and clear this up just a little bit more. Yeah, see, I just had way too many support and resistance lines. It was just a little bit choppy. So we, again, okay, so OPAI doesn't have any news. So right now, top 2 stocks to watch are MRIN and ONTX for the day. And I'll let you know if we have any more on our watches. And I think MRIN is the top stock to watch. I really don't see any formations on the. Oh, we're gapping up. I don't really see anything kind of standing out to me. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to the 1 minute, and I got my 5 minute. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for the likes. So community guidelines. What? Okay, it didn't say I broke it. So, anyways, let's see where MRIN. I mean, my cup and handle broke that. I mean, I do not like to see that. Now, what we're looking for, MRN has a low float. That it actually has a lower average volume today than it is. So I do not like that. That is, first of all, that is telling me that, we're moving this much because there is absolutely no sellers at the moment. But I think we might give a lot back today. I do not like the price action so far. We kind of rip and run yesterday and just kind of stayed around $10 for the rest of market or after hours and pre-market, which is something that you don't want to see, and usually you want to stay away from, just because you never know what's going to happen. It could rip to the morning. Hey, good morning, how are you, bro? I'm doing good, man. I overslept just a little bit. I was way too fucking tired to go to the gym this morning. I did chest yesterday, and me and my buddy went and did like fucking, I don't know, probably 9 different workouts or something like that at the gym, and my chest, and it was just chest and triceps, and I'm way too sore. Hit my alarm, didn't wake up, so I'm trying to catch back up, wake myself up a little bit, and we're gonna see how it goes. How are you doing today? I hope we can make some money today, and if not, because sometimes that's trading, but I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. We have around 20 minutes left. I'm good, thanks. Yes, sir. I mean, guys, we might sell a nice double bottom with a reversal. That could have been a good entry. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 91 likes to try to get to 500 likes. Thank you, thank you. That was like literally a perfect, break, retest, and then a nice double bottom above that support level. I do like that. Any good stock? Not like yesterday. Really, what we're looking at is MRIN and ONTX right out of the gate. So that's about it. That is about it. MRIN, nothing really crazy. I mean, I'm gonna stick to very probably very small. Just looking for quick scalps. Nothing crazy. I'm probably gonna look for maybe 5% max. I'm just gonna get in and out, in and out, in and out. LCID, I'll check it out right now. Oh, LCID had some good news. Let's see what my entry price is for LCID, because I bought some after it dropped because I wanted to catch the move higher. So let's see. Try. So, I mean, anyways, LCID is kind of increasing volume, which is what I like to see. We do have stuff. We might come up and touch 30 today, maybe even within the next few days. But I'm thinking that at 30, we're going to see a short sell-off. What's... Oh, that's why. I had cap lock on. All right. Where is it? Where is it? LCID. Price. Oof. I have my cost price is $38 a share for LCID, and my current value is worth. And I have how many shares do I have? Quantity. I have 26 shares. Oh, how's my Q comp? Okay, that's not doing bad. QQQ, that's doing very good. SE, that's doing very. SE is holy crap. I'm up over 100% on my SE call, or not call, but just bought some. Can you? What about Neo, bro? Yes, I also have some Neo. I have, I think I have 100 shares of Neo at 39. Just because I like the, and I wish I could have sold at that $55 price target, or $55 price. But again, Neo just broke that support level, descending triangle. I really think for Neo we have room down to 34. If we break 34, well, break 34, we're coming down to 32. I don't like to see that on Neo. That's unfortunate, but it's what happens. It's what happens sometimes. Okay, we're gonna jump back to MRN and get kind of focused up again. We got our third touch on the downtrend. Want to see a higher low with the break of the downtrend. We kind of wash out maybe at around 1020. Then we have room back to 11. Wash out to around 1020, and then we have room back to 11. If we get in at 1020, I can go in around 200 shares. Ah, my chest. Fuck. So sore. So sore. I don't want to see it break here. If it breaks here, then that plan is just ruined. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get this going. What MRIN to? Oh, cracked it. That's not what we want to see. Well, shit. Shit. We might have to trade a halt strategy today, guys. That just might what has to happen. Oh, SAVA. What's going on with that? Ooh. God, dude, there's this shit going around where you spit up a bunch of shit in my like friend group. Everyone's getting it. It's weird. Guys, we have a gap to fill all the way up. We have another gap. LCID. So, okay. Here's a good thing for it, since you're still here. God, dude, I'm spitting out a bunch of stupid shit. Fuck. So, LCID. If we break this downtrend, we're going to come lower. If we break 2780, We have room all the way up to 130. So I'm gonna be looking for calls here. Let's go ahead and do our options profit calculator. We have around 10 minutes left. LCID. We do select option, September 24th. A call. Maybe do a $26 call? No. In the money runs faster. And going with 2. Then we want it to come up to 30. So guys, if it does come up to around 30 today, we could potentially get, if it comes up to 29, we'll basically make 100% of our money. If it comes up to 29. 29! So keep LCID on high watch. All products, we're going to be looking for the 24th on the, what was I looking for? This is the 24th and at a $26 strike. I mean, LCID, we might actually, we gapped up pretty good, so we might, I might only be able to buy 1, but I'm going to look for the bounce with the break of trade alerts. We want at 299. So there we go. I got an alert. I'll get alerted when it breaks that, and they'll be able to capitalize on that move. LCID. MRIN breaking. Let's go over our charts and then flexible grid. And then let's put in LCID. I want to see it kind of touch this downtrend with increasing volume. Then we can probably catch this break of the uptrend. I mean, we're making higher lows consistently. I do like this price action. I think we had increasing volume yesterday. So either, but I don't like this wick. So either we are going to crack this, or we're going to crack the downtrend and continue lower, or the uptrend and continue lower. Let's go and look at LCID, MRIN. I don't like HLBZ. I do like HLBZ, actually. I lied. ONTX. You know, I'm not a fan. Let's go ahead and lower Josh. You know, right now there's not much to watch. We have a downtrend on the play for, nope, no we don't. Guys, I'm going to be looking for LCID for calls here. I'm also going to do calls on a big account. So let's go ahead and get that ready. LCID, options chain. We would buy today's strike. We do a $26 call. Oh, I don't see the delta. The fuck? I hate that. What? Fuck Fidelity. And I can't see the implied volume or theta or anything. Okay. I'll MRIN. Guys, right now there's nothing really screaming by me. So let's go ahead and look at some cryptos right now. We have 8 minutes left in the market. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'll turn that off for. Oh no, I won't. Guys. Guys, I was given a bunch of shit. I was like, oh, I'm not touching Bitcoin till 42,000. I said that on my YouTube, and it got a lot of views. And everyone are coming. It's not coming back to 42,000. It won't. It's gonna rip to the upside. And we're going 100K. Fuck you guys. I got a better entry than you. Not you guys. I'm talking about the people who are commenting. So, did a Bitcoin update yesterday. Let's see how that's doing. Hey, it popped up on my live. Lit. Warrior Trading live. Let's go to my videos. Let's see what's happening. 90. See, Bitcoin only got, 11 views. What? That's strange. We got 163 on quant. People love their quant and HBAR. Or quant and HBAR. HBAR, HCMC, Chainlink, ADA, and quant always do very good YouTube videos. Guys, we have 5 minutes left in the market. I think our top stock to watch is going to be that LCID move. Break over that $28 level. We're going to have room up to 29. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go long. So I guess, our top stock to watch right now will be LCID. But I'm not a fan of this cone. Usually this cone breaks the downside when it's like this. So, good morning to you, my man. Hey guys, we're at 91 likes. Let's try to get to 500. Just start tapping the screen. I'd appreciate it. TikTok also pushes the stream more. Let's make some money today. MRIN is one of our top stocks to watch, and LCID over 28. Over 28, we have room to 29 and 30. I might go in with a couple different, I might buy 2 options. Looking for the move higher. And then I'll have around 1,500 or more to trade with for the day. Two minutes left till market open, guys. MRIN, OTEX. Sign off. Don't like that. Don't want it to break. Really 550. Let's move this down. If we break 565, we have room down to 530. Or room down to, I think, even 513. We broke. AMDX. Good morning to you. How are you doing? How are you doing? Let's go and get my calculator set up. Disable. I won't let you go. Oh. All right, let's Yo, how you doing on YouTube? Let me know where you're from and then how much experience you have in trading. And then hopefully I'll be able to provide some value for you. Again, right now we're going to watch LCID with the break of this previous trend. Looking for the move, looking for this ascending triangle to break. And then we have room up to 30. If we come up to 30 with options, I mean, that's a 7% move. It's possible for how much volume we have. But there we go. Market's open. We're above 28. We're above 28. All products. I think we'll see. We saw a break. Let's go ahead and delete this. Actually, I don't want to get into it yet. I want to see a small pullback. We didn't close above there. Good morning, good morning. LCID is the top stock to watch. We broke above that $28 level. We broke out of this trend, but we are now back into it. MRIN. Let's go ahead and update our options chain. We want to see this close. I want to see a nice bull flag. Will LCID continue to pump? Potentially. I want to see a small pullback, though. I want to see a small pullback. I want to see on these two candles, I want to see a pullback, and I want to see us hold 28. If we hold 28, then I'm going to potentially get a call up to 29, 30 bucks. What are the top movers right now? We have MRIN, ONTX, AEMD. Come over to the YouTube and you can trade with me, see my screen. Right now I'm looking for a potential buying opportunity for LCID. I want to see a small candle. I want to see us hold 28 or this previous level of resistance. My stop would be a low of day if I do decide to enter, but I do not like what we're seeing. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for the likes. CLOV, I can move it. I can look at it in a sec. If we break this low, yep, we broke the low. That's why I don't buy it right out of the gate. I want to see a nice false breakout. Let's go ahead and tell the team. I want to see us hold this trend line. If we don't hold this trend line, MRIN died. ONTX is kind of falling off. AMDX. You know, rug pull, POHI, do not like that price action. Very choppy. You're moving out to the bottom. S. Yep, there it is. It broke below. But I want to see it kind of pull up to the trend line and then find resistance. And then we can look for some puts. We have room down to 26. And then we have room down to 20. Well, we have room down to 26, and then we have more room down to 25. On the daily, we have a gap to fill down at 24. I do want to see actually a nice. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Trade all products. Put. We want to see a move lower to 25, so we're going to go to trade puts 25. Let's go down. Let's go with let's go ahead and go in with 7 puts. I'm in. There we go. Guys, I brought that put. Let's see where we're at. We're up 35, 40 bucks on the play already. We want this to continue to come lower. Monitor. We're up 40, 50 bucks on the day. Yo, how you doing, my man? How you doing? Guys, again, for the small account, we're doing absolutely wonderful today. We're up 63 bucks. We want this to continue to come down. I only bought 7. I'm going to go ahead and actually close those positions. Monitor, grade, all products. Let's go ahead and actually go to monitor. We're up 50 bucks on the day. Let's go ahead and 7, buy. Up $56 on the day. Trade, all products. I'm out. We're up 60 bucks on the day so far. Yes, sir. That's what we like to see, guys. That's exactly what we like to see. There we go. There we go, guys. We're up 50, 60 bucks on the day. We could have held and made more money, but I'm glad I got that. What did I buy them at? Buy at 40 bucks. So I spent 280 bucks and I made 60 bucks. Wait, what is that? I did 7 times 40, 280. I just made like I can't even do the math right now. Can't do the math. CLOV. There we go, guys. Could have made more. Could have made more. Right now, it's sitting at 59. I could have made double what I just made. So. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I mean, I didn't hold it as long as I should have because I knew we had room down to 24. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm glad I was able to capitalize on it. What'd you buy? I bought a put for CLIV or CLID. Looking for the move lower. I bought it right here. As soon as we touched and retested the downtrend, I was able to capitalize on this move. It only moved 3%, but I gained around 25. Made around 20 to 25%. So let's go ahead and see if where else we can go. Don't like. Oh man, we'd be up a stupid amount now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We'd be up so much. We'd be up a lot more if I held it. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go and go over to trade, all products. Let's go ahead and sift through our watch list. MRIN. Broke. Could potentially give everything back. We have room up to $6. What's the news? Let's go ahead and buy a call. Let's go ahead and buy 4. Did I miss the entry? Nope, I'm not going to buy a call. Not going to buy a call. Don't like it. Don't like it. I do not like it. I wanted to buy it down here when it was at like... Yeah, it's up. So we're going to go ahead and delete this. I want to see a bottom on SAVA. What are okay, those are very expensive. The deltas are pretty high though. We want to see a pretty high delta. Let's go ahead and make it 8 strikes. No, we want actually more strikes. Excuse me, we want 14 strikes on each. LCID. Oh my god. We would have been up. We would have been up. Not too sure what did I buy. I bought a weekly $25 put. Okay, we would have been up 75%. What about Cardano? Hey, no problem. Cardano is a very good investment long term. Thank you. We got 2 viewers on YouTube. Go ahead and tell me, guys, where you're from and then how much trading experience you guys have. So let me know what you guys can. Let's see how much we have left buying power in our small account. We have 2,130 or $13 left to trade with today for the small account. We are up $60, which is absolutely great. Oh my goodness, LCID is absolutely ripping down. We'd have been up almost 100%. We'd have been up almost $280. So that's why I do not want to see. Why is this so far out? Let's go ahead. I have to change this. Hold on. What? we have keep time zoom on? Yes, we do. So we're gonna go ahead and move this over a couple, and then keep that like that. Okay. We've been up a stupid amount. Up a stupid amount. I keep looking, but I should not look because I'm not in the trade. MRIN. One. ONTX. Could have caught this move, but I did think we're going to continue low. We're going to double top. Broke above. If we break down and find resistance on this downtrend, then that's what I will wait. I think we have room down to, I don't think there's going to be product. Nope. Yeah, no. Ugh. Moved over here. Bay Area, 1 year. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've been trading for around 2. Are you guys more of a day trader, swing trader? We have 3 concurrent viewers. Another viewer, let me know where you're from and how much experience. Too late to get out onto ONTX. We might have a bullish pennant here. So we might be looking for the crack. We crack to the upside with increasing volume. We have room up to 650. So I personally am staying away. I don't like trading bullish pennants. I like catching the move before the bullish pennant, just because I'm not a huge fan of them. I've seen them go both ways. I think it has a 50-50 chance. Even though it says it's a 80-20, I'm not a huge fan. If we break out of there, AMDX, another bullish, nah. We're up at 4 viewers. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. Hello, found you on TikTok from Michigan, Upper Peninsula. I went up to Michigan a couple weeks ago, and I was fishing in Lake Michigan for lake trout. A few years of trading, a lot to learn. Yes, sir, my man. Yes, sir. Trading has so much, a huge learning curve, and that's what me and Josh Howerton, he's the CEO of Alpha Day Trading. We're trying to help newer traders. Yeah, so I mean, there's still a lot to learn. Again, I sold when LCID was here. We could have made more. How much did it drop more? We could have doubled our profits. We would have been up 150, 200 bucks for LCID. Again, I need to stop looking at that. That doesn't make sense. Yep, there it is. Boom. Bull. See how we had that bull pennant on ONTX? We broke above and then dumped. That's why I don't like trading bull pennants. Is it better to day or swing trade? So with day trading, you can constantly control your risk. For swing trading, sometimes you can't. When it's at night, you don't know what the after hours are doing, pre-market hours. I mean, if you're able to trade pre-market and after hours, then yeah, you can manage your risks more. But what if you're sleeping, or what if you're not at your computer and a news and it absolutely dumps? So I personally like I like day trading more. But again, swing trading is also another good opportunity to capitalize on if you make a good strategy. Thank you for the follow on YouTube. Or not on YouTube. Thank you for the follow on TikTok. Guys, we got 4 people in here. Where are you guys from? Tell me how much experience you guys got trading. Again, MRIN, kind of dumping. Staying away from it right now. If we break these pre-market lows of around 930, I think we have room down to $8. I mean, we're not really going to see much here. I would want to see it break, hold 9, and maybe consolidate for a little bit and break lower. CRSR. Let's go ahead and look. Do you guys on YouTube, do you want me to look at anything for you guys? Let me know if you guys want me to look. Okay, we had decreasing volume yesterday, increasing spread. I do not like to see that, but I do actually like to see that because it tells me that the buyers are now or the sellers are now losing control. Since we had decreasing volume, they don't want to take it even lower. Ideally we do not want to break today. If we break 26.92, then we're going to continue lower, probably down to 26.50. But if we stay in between this previous candle from yesterday, then it could be a pregnant candle basically, and that could be a sign of a reversal. Everyone telling me I'm gambling. Hey, people who don't understand the market say that you're gambling. Stick to your plan. You always say, Joe, stick to your plan. I know that you always say that. Stuck. It's stuck. So I think we could rip to the upside. So let's go back to trade MRIN. You're right, brother. Thank you. No problem, man. Hey, hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you make some money today. Hope everybody who's watching makes some money today. Let's get this going. I mean, MRIN, could we break this downtrend? I mean, it's not really much of a downtrend that I really actually, so I'm not a huge fan. And now, as we noticed, ONTX broke above and immediately dumped the rug pull. So we have to watch for that in the rest of the market. AMDX, maybe a small pullback for the move higher. Break above 530 would come up to 550. 540 would come up to 550. So I would like to see a pullback here, a slight pullback, all products. Let's see where we can go here. I think we have room. If we break this, we have room up to 6. Break 550, we have room up to 6. So I'm going to go ahead and do a $5 call. Delta. Whoops. PSFE. We're right on the support level. Broke it yesterday. Very small volume. The low, I would like to see a bounce, touch up to the downtrend. This channel, and then see a head and shoulders pattern potentially with the first shoulder, head, and then another shoulder forming, not breaking that 777. With the break of this downward channel, room up to 10, and then 1124. AMDX, here we go. I want to see another candle, slight pullback. I want to see a couple candles, slight pullback. Maybe down to the 20 EMA. Then we can catch the move back up to bounce off this previous high. We have room back up to 539. I want to see a nice bottom. I want to see one more candle be red. One more candle. 11. We're going to go ahead and change this to one day, 1 minute. Let's go ahead and actually move this over for a sec and shift this. 1 minute. Here we go. I want to see increasing volume, very low spread here. Increasing volume, very low spread. Okay, we have increasing in volume, lower spread. Looking for. Let's go ahead and trade all products. $5 call. Going with 2 potentially. We're gonna go with 3. We're not in yet. We missed our entry. We missed our entry. We missed our entry. No! I wanted to buy at 120, I believe. Man, that's unfortunate. We would have been up 40 bucks. That's unfortunate, guys. That's unfortunate. Yeah, we would have been up like 60 bucks. Up so far, yes sir. Thank you for the follow. Thank you, found me on TikTok. If you hit the subscribe button, I'm posting today about a halt strategy. I'm gonna try to really focus down. Actually, no, I'm actually not gonna post. I'm getting an iPhone 13 Friday. I'm getting a new ring lamp Friday. I'm also getting a whole new setup with a whole new background Friday. So I'm gonna try to really start pumping out very, very good YouTube videos. I'm gonna try to pump. My goal is to have 10,000 subscribers by the end or before my birthday next year, July 25th. So I have around 8 months before that happens. And again, so that's the goal. We're gonna trade. Guys, it's so unfortunate we weren't able to capitalize on that. Let's go ahead and look at MRIN. Whoops, MRIN continue to dump. ONTX. See, the boom. It's just I don't see it coming down much or going up much more from here. Broke over those highs again, guys. We have room up to 550 now. If we break over 550, we have room up to 6. Maybe a nice head and shoulders pattern. We want to see this kind of pull up to maybe 56 and then maybe pull back again. I want to see a head and shoulders and then for a potential call up to 60. Delta's 53. We do that. Get a good entry, maybe around 55. We could potentially catch a couple $100 there. LCID. Boom, pumped it. Okay. I'm looking for it to touch the downtrend again and continue lower. MRIN, kind of continuing to dump. I want to see reversal here. Back up to 930. Let's see if 930, we'll call a $9 call. Let's see, I'm not going to buy anything, but $10 call, 165. 165, 170 would be our entry. I just want to see how much you could have made. 170 would be our entry. Looking for it to come up. I'm just ONTX dumping. AMDX. Yeah, nothing's really moving. I mean, I'm glad we were able to capitalize on that. Halted, R-I-E-T. Not working, so. W-I-M-I. Why is this moving? 200% growth in 1H. I'm not too sure what that means. 6-month increase. Okay. This doesn't make sense at all. Okay. MRIN. I did miss my entry for MRIN, so I'm going to go ahead and... This is the top stock to watch. Want to see if we see a head and shoulders pattern here. We could see it back down to $5. Wait, where were we going? Was this the one I said 170? I'm not too sure. I forget actually. I thought I would remember that. $5 put. 120. Shit. And not much is moving. Not much is what I like. Nothing's crazy. All right, bro, what is your watch list for today? My watch list is MRIN. I'm going to say it once. If you want to see the watches continuously come over to the YouTube. So we have MRIN, ONTX, AEMD, SAVA, LCID, and POAI. I don't like this supply zone. I do not like the supply zone. Increasing volume on that spread, decreasing volume on this. Let's go ahead and buy 2 at 120. I missed my entry. I'm in. Minus 10 bucks. I bought a put, right? Yeah, I did. Why are we down? Money. It says we would be up. I want to see it come down to 5. Hey, watch list. Come over to the YouTube and you can see the watch list. ATER chart right now. I can't look at it right now. I can in a sec though. We're up nothing right now. We're up 5 bucks. Up 10 bucks. I want to see this come down to 5. Down 5, which is okay. Got in at 120. Right now I am looking at AMDX. I wasn't a fan of that. Wasn't a fan. I'm gonna go ahead and sell these for a $5 quick $5 loss. I have a position. I only have 2 of them though. Let's try to sell 2 of them. I'm out. I'm out. I took a small $10 loss, which is fine. $59. Okay, so I need to put that on our my trade log. Hold on. And then let's do a $10 loss. I'm glad I cut my loss early, because if I didn't, we would be down around maybe 30 bucks or so. I have $1,900 left to trade with. And nothing really standing out to me. DRMA is halted. Halted upside. Price target of 14. We have bids at 569, asks at 605. We were halted at 10:01. 21. We're going to be live here in around a minute. $150 shares potentially here. I want to see this gap up significantly. We're going to be live in 30 seconds. AMDX. Yes, that's on the watch list. I can look at it in a sec. We're going to be live in 20 seconds. Let's go ahead and look at where it could potentially go. We have room up to maybe $6 and $6.50. Oh man. Gapped up significantly. We would have easily made right there. Boom. Could have continued to move up. Want to see an inverse head and shoulders pattern at MRIN? We have room back to VWAP. We're just kind of dumping. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. I want to see a 4th touch with the double bottom, maybe an inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 1 minute. We are oversold. All products. We want to see a call back up to maybe 55 bucks. So a $55 call. Actually, let's do a $53 call. Potentially here with the break of the downtrend. That's a $43 delta. If I can get some, if it comes up to 56, that's potentially over $100 of profit if we can continue, if we can catch that. I want to see very high volume here. You want to react. You do not want to anticipate. MRIN. Want to see an inverse head and shoulders pattern. I think it looks somewhat like SVAN. It might be a potential opportunity to see what SVAN could potentially do here. Since MRIN did pull back, we broke below. We saw almost an inverse head and shoulders. RSI is at 20. Oh, I missed that entry. I'm not gonna jump in. Could be a good entry, but I'm gonna wait for that head and shoulders pattern in the break. ONTX was dumping AMD, AEMD, MRIN. Want to see a pullback maybe down to 890. SVAN. I think MRIN is kind of showing us the right away for SVAN. Excuse me. Give it hell today. I have to go walk my dog. See you later. Hey, thank you for stopping by. I hope you give it hell today. Kick today's ass. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Might buy. Oh. I do not want to see it crack this low. If we crack this low, then we're going to come lower. With the break of the downtrend, we room up to 55 or room up to 54 potentially. How much did it pull back? Pull back 8%. We could definitely pull up to 54. I think we room up to 54. Maybe we do a $55 call. Maybe $51 call. $300. Broke it. All products, delete. Want to see a nice pullback. Maybe down 9. I want to see MRN hold 9. $73 delta. I want to see a bigger double bottom on the 5 minute before I look to get an enter here on MRIN. Nothing really screaming by me right now. Lung cancer trial. I want to see ONTX pull back a little bit more. I'm risking 1%. Head and shoulders pattern. Inverse head and shoulders. All products. Let's go ahead and buy a... Shit. But open. Here we go. Maybe some all... Oh, nope. Trade all products. Don't want to break... If we break 566, I'm not a fan. Maybe going with around 300 share, Nope, 5 minute does not look good. Canceling. You know, it might continue to come up, but the 5 minute does not. Yep, boom. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. MRIN in. Want to see a nice double bottom for the move higher. There's the break. Want to see a small pullback. Want to see a small pullback. Maybe down to 51. Come back, retest. Move them up to 54. Going with potentially 2 here. Come down a little bit more. MRIN, our RSI is higher. I do like that. We might be able to see a call and kind of grind to the upside now. You're risking around 2%. All products. What if we do a $10 call potentially? Let's buy one. Want to see the double bottom kind of hold. Shit, I keep doing that. I wanted to see a retest of this all products. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Want to see this retest with decreasing volume on this pullback, very light volume on this pullback. I want to see it kind of bounce off 51. Decreasing volume on this pullback. Want this candle to close. Oh shit, I forgot what we picked. Not a fan. I probably could have made some money there, but I didn't like it. OGI or PCG, not on the watch list, not on our scanners. So I'm currently staying away from them since they're not on the scanners. Oh man, it just pumped. Would have been up 40 bucks right there. And that's why you don't anticipate, you react. I was going to buy a call here, but I wanted to see confirmation of the double bottom. Would have been up 60 bucks. 70 bucks. So it's unfortunate. That's unfortunate that we weren't able to capitalize on it. Let's go ahead and take a peek at our options. AMD, AMC. Nah, I'm not gonna try that. I don't like this decreasing volume. Would have been up 80 bucks. One, two, three. I want to see a bounce off this, maybe with double top around 570 with the break. Then we'll have room down to $5 potentially. Want to see a double bottom, and then room back up to 930. Back with a remix. These all blue. Want to see a double bottom or a big inverse head and shoulders. I am too, Josh. I am too. Do not like this on SA, this rising wedge. Yep, I think we're going to continue to break lower for SVAN. ONTX, that might come down even more. AMD, nice, nice potential double top. Maybe not in the 5 minute, but 1 touch, 2 touch, 3rd touch, we might continue higher. Let's see. MRIN looking for a reversal, looking for the move higher. I want to see it pull back a little bit more, but it might not. I want to see a nice run, maybe up to. I want to see it break 9 and then potentially. Well, maybe $10 call. Let's go to products. Go ahead and buy some. I'm in. Once this candle closes, my stop's gonna be below 880. Might have anticipated it just a little too much there. Come on, I know you want to rip. I know you want to rip to the upside here. I only have too long. Up $5. Break those. Yep, there it is. There it is. We're going to see a lot of volume pop in now. All products. It's not loaded yet. It's not loaded yet. $10. 15. I got 2 at 170. I'm up 5% so far on there. Not a fan of that. Not a fan of that price action. I'm going to go ahead and actually get rid of these. I want to see something. We saw an increase in volume. I think we could see it pump up a little bit more. My stop is now below. My stop is now at break even. I'm going to go ahead and put a stop in the system at 170. Why can't I sell? Nope, order entry. Here we go. 2 at 170. So if we get filled and call a loss. Amount at 170. So I did not risk any money. Did not see the move that I wanted to see. SVAN. ONTX. Ripping to the upside. AMDX. 1,500 left to trade with for the day. How about you? That's why I cut my loss. Bought MRNN a $10 call. Okay, I would have only been down like $10, maybe 20, but cut my loss so I can get a re-entry. I want to see it. I want to see it hold 862. Excuse me. DVAX. Not a fan, but we're gonna... Want to see it kind of pull up double top for the move lower. Nothing really on ONTX. AEMD, maybe looking for a retest before the move lower. Decreasing volume, I want to see a retest of maybe 550, 545. MRIN. SVA. Look for that double bottom. Look for that double bottom. I want to see some movement here. Might buy a call. Oh man, I keep doing that. Then we're going to see a lot of volume start to pop in. Am I going to get in? Let's see if I get filled. Let's see if I get filled. Miss my entry. If I don't get filled here, it's okay. Want to see it kind of bounce and retest? Looking for somebody to get out. $250. Want to see it come down. If it comes down, we're going to continue. That's unfortunate. I missed my entry. That is very unfortunate. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. It is okay. Don't chase it. Don't want to chase it. Not at least that pump. ONTX, want to see a pullback. I don't think this is... Okay, it does. Want to see a pullback, and then we have room back up to 654. If we break 64, we have room up to 7. What's the news? Lung cancer trial, so... That's unfortunate. The call that I wanted would have been up around 15 to 30 bucks. I think I was going to go in with 2. I'm not too sure what I was going to go in with, actually. ONTX on the run. It is on the run. Looking for a small pullback on ONTX. I want to see it hold up. I want to see it hold 620. What is phase resources? Oh. Ah. I want it to kind of have a pullback here. I don't want it to see it break 654. We're in a big supply zone. Nice, pretty big supply zone. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, I run away in fear of me dying today.